Real Life English Conversation Part 2. Hello again. Welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. Take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to practice English with me. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 7. Talking about yourself. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Hello. My name is Rahul. Repeat. My name is Rahul. I am 24 years old. Repeat. I am 24 years old. I live in Jaipur. Repeat. I live in Jaipur. I work as a software engineer. Repeat. I work as a software engineer. I enjoy learning English. Repeat. I enjoy learning English. I practice every morning. Repeat. I practice every morning. My goal is to speak English confidently. Repeat. My goal is to speak English confidently. Excellent. Let's continue. Lesson 8. Asking simple questions. Now imagine you're talking to a new friend. Listen first. Then repeat. What's your name? Repeat. What's your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I'm from India. What do you do? I'm a student. What are your hobbies? I like reading books. Do you like music? Yes, I do. What's your favorite color? Blue. How often do you practice English? Every day. Wonderful. Now say everything once again. Speak slowly. Very good. Lesson 9. Morning routine. Now let's talk about daily life. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I drink tea. I leave for work. I arrive on time. I work hard. I come home in the evening. I have dinner. I read a book. I go to bed at 10. Excellent. Now say all the sentences without stopping. Lesson 10. Speaking confidence. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I believe in myself. Every day I become better. I am learning new words. I enjoy speaking English. I am confident. I never give up. Practice makes me stronger. I love learning. Today is a beautiful day. Amazing. Smile. Confidence starts with one sentence. Lesson 11. Vocabulary. Today's words. Success. Repeat. Success. Dream. Repeat. Dream. Journey. Repeat. Journey. Future. Repeat. Future. Improve. Repeat. Improve. Experience. Repeat. Experience. Knowledge. Repeat. Knowledge. Opportunity. Repeat. Opportunity. Now use them. My dream is to speak English. Knowledge gives confidence. Practice improves my future. Success comes from hard work. Excellent. Lesson 12. Pronunciation. Listen carefully. Repeat exactly. World. Not. World. World. Repeat. World. Work. Repeat. Work. Walk. Repeat. Walk. Very. Repeat. Very. Weather. Repeat. Weather. Weather. Repeat. Weather. Practice. Repeat. Practice. Beautiful. Repeat. Beautiful. Conversation. Repeat. Conversation. Excellent pronunciation. Lesson 13. Listening practice. Now just listen. Don't repeat. Listen carefully. Hello. My name is Sarah. I work in a hospital. Every morning I wake up early. I enjoy reading books. I love learning English because it helps me communicate with people from different countries. Every evening I spend 30 minutes practicing English. Slowly, I feel more confident every day. Now answer. Where does Sarah work? In a hospital. Why does she learn English? To communicate with people. Excellent. Lesson 14. Daily conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. What are your plans today? I'm going to the office. Have a nice day. Thank you. See you later. Take care. Bye. Bye. Now repeat the whole conversation. Speak naturally. Fantastic. Lesson 15. Motivation. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I can do this. I enjoy learning English. Practice makes me confident. I speak clearly. I believe in myself. My future is bright. I never stop learning. Wonderful. Keep smiling. That's all for this part. I hope you're enjoying this English learning journey with me. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It grows with regular practice, one conversation at a time. If this lesson was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support inspires me to create more English lessons for you. And don't stop here. Watch the next part of this video where we'll continue with more real-life conversations, useful vocabulary, pronunciation practice, and listening exercises. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next part. Bye.